going to be getting into this bit of rust right here. The bit on the other side there, I am going to probably cut out tomorrow and repair that when I flip it over and do the corner on the inside. I think there's a hole over there somewhere, can't really see. But I've already done that one. It's all coming up alright, so. Alright, I'm going to put you on time delay for a minute and talk to you in a minute. Hope you enjoyed that little time lapse. This was just a quick smash and dash. It's all done now. I just didn't really want to piss fart around and get too many steps into it and drag out a long video.